sent us a new home world, I'll make another. And another. Can you imagine? Dozens of Blarg-owned planets forged not by nature, but by my company. We'll create an entire empire using your galaxy's wasted planets. I suppose this will leave any of your citizens hopeless or... But sacrifices must be made.
Man, does Drek ever stop talking? Yes! More warbots!
I want that flop back. Dead! And bring me the defect! I'll have it recycled into something useful. Like a staple. Or one of those white noise machines you fall asleep with.
Planetizer power levels at 95%.
Come on, we're almost to the bridge. I'm hurting.
Deplanetizer power levels at 95%.
Come on, we're almost to the bridge.
Charm and personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it? Oh, nice! Oh, now that's a weapon!
Starcracker terminal. Stop him at once!
Holy cow, that's a lot of tanks. Enemy down!
fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down!
Not letting near that Star Tracker terminal!
Okay, enough tanks already!
Planetizer now online.
Bravo, my boy! Bravo! I deal with my share of morons on a daily basis, but this? This is seriously next level. I never had a proper planet. I spent my formative years underground, where everything was dark and wet and hot.
And I was like, warrior? No, I said I was a worrier. I worry about everything. Oh, hey! Quark? This is awkward.
I want him to live to see his failure. Commence deplanetization!
No! Well, here's your ID. Welcome aboard. Captain?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Thanks. The Novalians were able to evacuate in time, but billions lost their homes.
You helped Drek destroy a planet because you were jealous of Ratchet? Oh, that's cold, even for me.
Not my coolest moment, okay? I was confused. I thought I was doing the best thing for the galaxy.
Hey, you were doing the best thing for you.
Nobody asked you, solitary Bill.
Then what happened? In the Hollow film, Ratchet ended up drifting in deep space for like weeks until he finally managed to assemble a gravity drive using an old ham radio. and a banana.
Never happened. In reality, he just went home.
In the wake of NOVALIS' destruction and Captain Quark's shocking betrayal, Galactic President Phyronix has issued a galaxy-wide alert to all Solana citizens.
I'm not going back, Clank. This is where I belong. You were right. Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for causing a complete disaster.
It was not a complete disaster.
Authorities are calling it a complete and utter disaster, as...
The evacuation of NOVALIS was successful. No one was killed or injured.
But those people lost their homes. And for that, I have to take full responsibility.
Blaming yourself and taking responsibility are two very different things. If you truly want to be accountable, you will endeavor to make things right the next time.
Next time?
Drek has one more target on his list. With Captain Quark now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in any way possible. Partner.
Well, partner, how about helping me find my proto-suit?
It's good to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Ilaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious' files from Drek Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solana celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Drek. He wants the system destroyed under the Rangers' watch.
I have a plan to destroy the deplanetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Kalibo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
Maybe we can get one of those holo guises from Gadgetron HQ.
In order to defeat Chairman Drek, the duo needed something that could only be found on Kalibo, a Gadgetron hologuide.
It appears the Blarg have invaded this sector. They must be after the Gadgetron weapon stockpiles.
Attention, Gadgetron employees! We are currently in the midst of a major security breach at our factory. All non-essential personnel are to vacate the building immediately while we wait for the authorities to arrive.
Take your time! No, really. Boom! That's how it's done!
Incoming dropship.
Don't let that road ruin our plans for your mission!
Nice! That thing might have some new weapons.
Want a sheep in there?
I believe those gears control the bridge.
Well, let's see if we can get them moving.
I believe those gears control the bridge. Well, let's see if we can get them moving. Good work, Ratchet. The thruster pack is quite a handy device.
One employee has asked if our healthcare plan covers injuries sustained
Look
during
at that
the
rail.
assault.
Wonder where it leads.
Answer is maybe. I've just received a complaint that someone has eaten my assistant Diane's tuna fish sandwich. A sandwich that was clearly labeled and left in the employee fridge. Today's invasion does not excuse poor manners.
Ratchet, come in. How's it going down there? Did you get the holo guys?
Not yet, but we're working on it. Just had to take care of a few things first.
Copy that. Good luck.
Welcome to the Map-O-Matic room. The Map-O-Matic was designed to help galactic explorers discover local items and points of interest.
Sweet. I could really use that.
How many times have I told you? The Groovatron room is not a place to hold your parties. Clear out of there, there's an assault going on. Got it.
Destroy target.
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Death trial?
Test complete.
Send security bots to the Warmonger testing area. Our stockpile must not fall into blob hands. security protocols. Cancel Casual Friday.
I got a waiting list for sheepinators, but... Stop by soon, I'll sell my last one to you. Want a sheepinator? I got one with your name on it. Really, that's just a figure of speech.
Volunteer detected in Pyrocitor room. Prepare for annihilation. Test complete.
I do hope the Blarg have not procured any of Gadgetron's more powerful weapons.
Oh boy. Better find some nanotech.
Come on, guys, we gotta find it.
Look at those gears. We should be able to rotate this room.
I got all kinds of stuff to top you off. Whoa, now that's a weapon!